Let's talk about something that I try to get everybody to avoid, and that is what happens if you choose to not have life insurance. Because after all, what is the cost of doing nothing? So it's more than just financial. If you pass away unexpectedly, you don't have life insurance, your family is left with the burden to cover everything. That includes the funeral, burial expenses, or cremation if that's what you choose to do. So that can run you anywhere from 7,000, 12, 15,000 on out the window. Outstanding medical bills, credit card bills, loans, loss of income, childcare, mortgage. So all of those things you leave to your family to handle. So and all of that is coming at the worst possible time. Your loved ones are grieving your death. They are emotionally upset because you died. Now they have the burden of having to cover expenses that you left behind that you didn't have to leave behind. You could have left behind a policy that they can use to pay these expenses. I've seen it. People doing GoFundMe pages to bury their loved ones. I have seen people take out loans or go into debt to take care of funeral expenses. I have seen the collection plate passed around the church after the funeral, before the body was rolled out, to collect money for the family to help them pay for funeral expenses. That is heartbreaking. That is so sad. And it's preventable because it doesn't have to be that way. I know people who are like, oh, I don't want to talk about death. I don't want to think about death. Well, whether you think about it, talk about it or not, it is coming. Life insurance is not about fear, it's about love. It's about making sure that you leave your family protected when you're no longer here. Don't let the cost of doing nothing become someone else's burden. Message me today and I can walk you through your options. No pressure, no judgment. Y'all, you got to get covered. Do not leave your family with the financial burden of having to put you away, along with the dealing with the grief